How to turn off Alibaba notification in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Alibaba app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on My Alibaba at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Notifications here in the settings. Click on Push. You'll find Allow Notifications. Turn this off. Make sure the circle is on the left side and click on Disable All at the bottom. After you do that, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Notifications and all Alibaba.com notifications. Turn this off. Make sure the circle is on the left side and you're good to go. This is how to turn off Alibaba notifications in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.